And this actually isn't a nail weight. This is just kind of a little, you know, I don't even know what weight this is called, honestly. I probably should know, but what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Humbug Outdoors Fishing. It's your boy C. Smith here, and today we're going to be kind of going over you guys, some of you guys knew this video was coming, but we're going to be going over my favorite winter rig to throw. The only reason why I did catch fish this winter was because of this rig, and that's why I wanted to make a video on it, because I had a lot of success with this rig, and I feel comfortable enough giving you guys a video on it. So stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy today's video. Alrighty, so the rig that I'm going to be teaching you guys about today is the Neko Rig, and this is a rig that not only is it cheap, rod and reel wise, it's very easy to fish. The rod and reel, you don't have to have a super expensive rod for it, just as long as you have a sensitive, lightweight rod. And like I said before, it's really easy to fish. I mean, this bait is about as simple as you can get. And it is great numbers bait. I have caught, there's so many days where, my buddies are trying to go for the little bit bigger fish, and I end up pulling, a lot of little fish, and then out of nowhere pulling a big fish. So it's great for numbers, and you can be, you can get kind of lucky in there and get a big one. So let's talk about how to rig this baby. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, is, first part of it at least, is you're going to want to put your O-ring on your worm. Now, it's not necessary to put an O-ring on, but I prefer it just because you're not going to lose as many baits. But basically, I just have a regular wacky ring for, like a bigger Senko. So all I'm going to do is put it in my pliers. I'm going to wrap it around just like that, so it kind of doubles over. And then I'm going to kind of push it up. I'm going to extend my wires, or extend my pliers like that. And I'm going to put my bait through that little spot. I'm just going to kind of pull it up. And basically all you want right there, I don't know if you can see that, you do not want, this is not like a wacky rig where you put it in the middle. So right there is all you need. So you're going to get the rig off. Boom. That is as far as you really want, because you want this part's going to be heavier anyway. And so the point is you want this part on the top moving around. Next up you're going to do is you're going to take your nail weight, and sometimes they have that little taper at the end, so you're just gonna bite off that little front part so it's easier to put it in. Basically just shove it in, and now with the screw, obviously all you're gonna do is just make that flat surface and then just screw the bait in. It takes a little bit longer, but it's gonna lock in there good because each screw is holding in the bait. Nails work too, but they seem to fall out a little bit more. Last thing you need is your hook. And all you're going to do is make sure, okay, this is a big no-no with the Neko Rig. A lot of people put their hook down like this. And so when a fish grabs it, you are literally getting this part, it's just going straight out. So that's why you miss a lot of fish like that. And so that's why you want that, wide gap, bigger hook. I've missed a lot of fish on the smaller hooks. With this bait, I really like a bigger hook. And you're going to rig it up, okay? So I'm going to put it right where that little part meets right there. Boom. That is it. I mean, it is that simple. Like, this bait is done. And so basically all you want to do with this bait is you just want that, that slow drag off the bottom. This is not a loose line bait. You want your line tight at all times, because when that fish just picks it up, you're really, you're going to want to feel it. And especially with the little finesse bait like this, it's really easy to miss bites. Talk about the rod for a second. The rod that I am using, I use for this technique is the 13 Fishing Omen Black. This is the 7'1" medium fast action. And this is kind of like my all-around finesse rod too. I drop shot with this thing, I Neko Rig, like a little swim baits and little finesse stuff. I love this rod. And then the reel wise, I actually have an Okuma Ceymar. And I, picked this reel up from a friend. He sold it to me for cheap. Didn't expect much from it, and I absolutely love it. The reel is super comfortable. Has a great drag on it, and I just love this combo. This combo right here is all around an amazing finesse setup, and it is perfect for the Neko Rig because it's sensitive, yet it's still got that 13 Fishing's got that strong blank, and I can drive that hook right in that fish. So a great choice for any of you guys looking for finesse tactic rod and reels. All right, so that is gonna do it for the video. If you guys liked the video, please make sure to give it a like, comment, subscribe, do all the stuff you're supposed to do for a YouTube video. If you guys want me to do more finesse, or not even just finesse, but any type of bait, you know, like another little tip video like this, I would be more than happy to do it. I want to give a shout out to my sponsors, Fatsack Outdoors. It's an amazing fishing app. You can log your fish, you know, record it. You can fish tournaments, you can win prizes, you can do all sorts of stuff on it. I'll be doing a video on that soon too, so you guys have something to look forward to. See you guys next time on Humbug Outdoors Fishing. Yay!